5. Show by suitable net ionic equations that each of the following species can act as a Bronsted-Lowry base. And then we have letter A. So in this case, we just have to show via a net ionic equation that H2O can actually act as a Bronsted-Lowry base. Well, just, background story here. Bronsted and Lowry were two scientists that independently came up with this idea of what bases do in aqueous solutions. And what they found out was that bases will always accept a hydronium. So that's H+. H+ is hydronium. Am I spelling this right? Does anyone care? Hydronium? Why does this look so weird? Hydronium. Hopefully that's spelled right. I'm doing so that's what happens when you do like 20 videos or plus a day. The words start getting a little crazy. But anyway, all that bases do is they're going to accept the H+. Remember, the acids will donate the H's to the base. The bases just accept. And that's how we can write it in a net ionic equation. By putting the H+ here on the same side as the base, they will be coming together, and the base accepts it. So, H2O, which is the base, plus that H+, and that's going to be aqueous. And since H2O is not a strong base, right? It's not one of our 6 strong bases. I'll just say that this is an equilibrium, right? And that's the double arrow. And now I just have to write my conjugate acid. Conjugate just means that it's going to be on the product side. But all you got to do is just bring all of these together. So I had 2 hydrogens, but now I'm adding 1 hydrogen. So you're gaining 1 hydrogen. So now instead of H2O, I now have H3O. And now what you do is you add 1 to the overall charge of what the base was. Now the base had nothing in the upper right-hand corner. That means that it was 0, right? It was neutral. So 0 plus 1, H3O has an overall charge of a +1. Or you could just write a plus, that's fine with me as well. And since it has a charge, that's AQ. And remember, with net ionic equations, H2O is water. So that's a liquid. And now we are finished with our net ionic equation. And that's it. There you go, guys. Hopefully this helped. Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for viewing the video. Subscribe to the channel and tell your friends. All right? Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys, and I will see you in later lessons. Bye-bye.